Hello everyone, we are Team FarmCast. I am Rohit Purkait and I'll be presenting you to the solution that we have created in this National AgriInnovate Hackathon. So, the problem statement that we are trying to solve is to protect the farmers from the natural incoming disasters that are going to happen, that are going to destroy their crops. The problem currently faced in nowadays is that all the data, all the weather predictions are given at a global level. Like a farmer living in a village, living in a remote village, cannot exactly know that what is going to happen in that specific locality because the weather stations that are located are very far off. So a lot of times what happens is that the weather prediction does not match to the local area, right? So as a result of which a lot of loss happen to the farmers. So we are trying to solve exactly this problem so that we can present the farmers with a very simple solution so that they can get alerts and so that they can get insights that how their crop is going to be in the future. So for that we have devised a very simple solution. So basically this is the field of the farmer and we are going to place our devices onto the field. Our devices is going to catch a lot of information like temperature, air pressure, etc. And we are sending this data into a server, and from this server we are constantly processing in the backend, matching the trends, following the trends, predicting all the weather conditions and everything, and we are sending the alerts back to the farmers. Now, a question may arise that how the farmer will understand that how the data is coming, because naturally they don't have very high level language knowledge. They don't know how to use complex applications. So for that we have created two simple strategies. The first strategy is to create a lighting system. The lighting system would consist of three lights. The green light would means that there is no warning, yellow means that there is some problem, and red means there is high alert that something huge is going to happen. Now, along with this light assisting, we also have a LCD display. The LCD display will show one word problem, that what is exactly the issue, like heavy rainfall or let's say high wind or something. And all this is going to be in the localized language on where this device is placed, right? This is the overview of the device, that how the device is going to look like. This is basically the prototype. If we iterate on this, we can make this device much more compact. This is the mobile application in which all these parameters is showing and how the alerts would show. And this is the web application in which like everything would be presented very easily. Now let me deep dive into the application once. So this is the web dashboard in where like all the temperatures, all the parameters that we are collecting would be shown in here. And then we have the weather forecast. So we are currently predicting the next 3 days weather based on the specific locality, like on where the device is placed. It is going to predict the weather of that locality, and it would tell that how the weather would be, how it would feel like, what is the temperature is going to be, what would be the wind direction. So we are giving the all the analysis to the farmers very easily at just a single click.